Good morning, students. I think all you are fine. In this pandemic situation, everyone should stay in home. Already we learned in 8th class that is prevention is better than cure. It is very easy to stop the severity before getting it. So everyone should stay in home to protect yourself from coronavirus. Okay, today I will start new 10th class for you. In that NS first lesson nutrition, the food supply system. If you will observe in your 10th class NS syllabus, we have 10 lessons. Okay, in that first lesson is nutrition, the food supply system. First of all, I will explain about what is meant by nutrition. What is meant by nutrition? Nutrition means intake of food. Nutrition means intake of food. All we know that food is the basic need for all living organisms. What is the use of food? Food helpful to release energy, food helpful for growth, food helpful for body building. So food is the basic need for all living organisms, including microorganisms. Say every living creature require food for different reasons. But the taking of food is differ from unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms. In this lesson, in this first lesson, nutrition, we will discuss about how plants get food, how plants get food and how animals get food. How plants get food and how animals get food. All we know that plants get food in the process of photosynthesis. In this lesson, nutrition, the food supply system, we want to discuss about how plants get food and how animals get food. All we know that plants get food in the process of photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis. First of all, let us discuss about the definition of photosynthesis. Do you know, children? Photo means here light. Synthesis means preparation. In the presence of light, food will be prepared. In the presence of light, food will be prepared by green plants. By green plants, this is called photosynthesis. So, green plants are also known as autotrophs. What is meant by autotroph? The organisms which can prepare their own food material in the process of photosynthesis is known as autotroph. This type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. What is meant by autotrophic nutrition? It is a type of nutrition which occurs in green plants. So, in this process, green plants can prepare their own food material in the process of photosynthesis. For this purpose, green plants require different materials. No, so many scientists research on green plants, how they perform photosynthesis, which gas is released during photosynthesis. Now, I will explain about factors which are essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis. What are the factors which are essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis? These factors can be categorized into two groups according to their availability. What are the factors? One is external factors. What are the factors? The things which are essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis are known as factors. That is external factors, and second one is internal factors. What are the external factors? The external factors are two. What are they? One is CO2, second one is sunlight. These are the two external factors which are essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis. External factors means the things which require to green plants from outside of the plant known as external factors. And internal factors means the things which are essential to green plants, which are available to green plants from inside of the inside is known as internal factors. They are chlorophyll, and second one is water. These two are the internal factors and these two are the external factors. These four factors are very essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis. If anyone absent means, if anything absent means green plants cannot perform photosynthesis. So these four are the factors which are required to green plants to perform photosynthesis. So green plants are also known as autotrophs. Auto means self preparation. They can prepare their own food material in the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means preparation. In the presence of light, food will be prepared, starch will be prepared. So green plants are also known as universal food providers. Very important. Green plants are also known as universal food providers. Why green plants known as universal food provider? We means animals. All living organisms depends on directly or indirectly on plants for food material. So that's why green plants are also known as universal food provider. If you will observe, we animals sometimes depends on plants or sometimes depends on animals. Some animals depends on plants, means we indirectly depends on plants for food. So we directly or indirectly depends on green plants for food. No, that's why green plants are also known as universal food providers. So now already we learned four factors which are essential to green plants. So carbon dioxide, sunlight are the external factors, chlorophyll and water are the internal factors. Okay, here we will discuss about photosynthesis. No, photosynthesis is a basic life process. Photosynthesis is a basic life process. Now I will explain about what is meant by life process. The process which helpful for survival of life. The process which helpful for survival of life. If you will observe in green plants or other animals, we can perform different types of life processes in our daily life. So if you will observe, why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process means it is the only process which releases oxygen into our planet. It is the only process. It is the only process which takes CO2 from environment or air and releases a gas known as oxygen. Oxygen is released by green plants in the process of photosynthesis. Without oxygen, we can't survive even few minutes also. No, that's why oxygen is released from green plants in the process of photosynthesis. And also, it is the only process which makes food material by green plants. So, these two are obtained from green plants in the process of photosynthesis. That's why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process. Without oxygen, we can't survive. Without food, we can't survive. So these two are obtained from green plants in the process of photosynthesis. That's why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process. Very important in the exam point. They'll ask like this. Why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process? Photosynthesis is considered as basic life process. What do you mean by life process? The process which is helpful for survival of life. Without this, we can't survive. So without photosynthesis, we can't get oxygen and we can't get food material. That's why photosynthesis is basic life process. Okay. So universal food providers are green plants. Why green plants known as universal food providers? Why? Because we means animals directly or indirectly depends on green plants for food. So green plants are also known as universal food providers. Now a scientist called C.B. Van Neel, he is the person who discovered the four factors which are essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis. To explain this, he explained the factor which is essential to green plant to perform photosynthesis with the help of a equation. If you want to write a chemical equation, first you have to draw the arrow. Before arrow, what you have to write, and after arrow, what you have to write. Before arrow, you have to write raw materials. Before arrow you have to write raw materials. Raw materials means factors, 4 factors. After arrow you have to write end products. Before arrow we have to write raw materials. After arrow we have to write end products. What are the raw materials required to green plants to perform photosynthesis? Now I will write the balanced equation. 6CO2 plus 12H2O, carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight. Already we know that a green color pigment present in green plants known as chlorophyll. So first factor, second factor, third factor, fourth factor. These are the 4 factors. These are known as raw materials which are required to green plants to perform photosynthesis. What are the end products produced by green plants? First one is glucose, C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. Glucose means nothing but food, plus a gas is released known as oxygen. Keep it in mind, a gas which is absorbed by green plants known as carbon dioxide. This is one of the important external factor, and a gas released by green plants known as oxygen. Some amount of water also will be released. This is the balanced equation proposed by C.B. Neal. Now I will explain about the definition of photosynthesis proposed by C.B. Neal. What is the definition? Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. Keep it in mind. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. What is meant by photochemical reaction? Photo means light. Some chemical reaction takes place in green plants. This helpful to form food material. In the presence of light, food will be prepared. That's why we will explain the equation with the help of chemical equation. We will explain the process of photosynthesis with the help of chemical equation. So it is the process which prepare chemical means here food material. It is a photochemical reaction which occurs in green plants. Which occurs in green plants. They absorb. They means here green plants. They absorb CO2 from air, CO2 from air, water from soil, and in the presence of sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, carbohydrates are formed, and a gas is released known as oxygen. This is known as photosynthesis. Again, I repeat, the definition of photosynthesis is very important. 2 marks question. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction. It is a photochemical reaction. In the presence of light, chemical reaction takes place in green plants with the help of CO2 from air, water from soil, and in the presence of sunlight. Already they have a green color pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll helps to form starch in green plants, and a gas is released known as oxygen. This is the balanced equation which proposed by C.B. Neal. 6CO2 plus 12H2O, sunlight by chlorophyll, C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose, and a gas released known as oxygen. Some amount of water also will be released. So this is about equation of photosynthesis. If you will observe in this class, we learned about what is meant by nutrition. Nutrition means intake of food. In this lesson, we want to discuss about how plants get food and how animals get food. First, let us discuss about how plants get food. Already we learned plants get food in the process of photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction which occurs in green plants. They absorb carbon dioxide from air, water from soil. In the presence of light, carbohydrates are formed. That is called photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process? Photosynthesis is considered as basic life process. Why? Because it is the process which releases oxygen to our planet, and it is the process which helps to make food by green plant. Without oxygen and without food we can't survive. That's why photosynthesis is considered as basic life process. Along with photosynthesis, other life processes are also performed by green plants. But in this photosynthesis is basic important light process. That's why because oxygen is released by green plants in the process of photosynthesis. Food also prepared by green plants in the process of photosynthesis. So green plants are called as autotrophs. This type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition means it is a type of nutrition which occurs in green plants. They absorb CO2 from air, water from soil. In the presence of sunlight, carbohydrates are formed. So green plants are also known as universal food providers. Why universal food providers? Why? Because we means animals directly or indirectly depends on green plants for food. That's why green plants known as universal food providers. So, and also we learned about factors. A scientist called C.B. Van Niel. He is the scientist who explained about the factors which are essential to green plants, that is external factors and internal factors. External factors are carbon dioxide and light. Internal factors are chlorophyll and water. These four are very essential to green plant. They are known as raw materials. Without any this factor, plants cannot perform photosynthesis. So these four are very essential to green plants to perform photosynthesis. Okay, this is about introduction about the nutrition first lesson in NS subject 10th class. In the next class, I will explain about factor which is essential to green plant, how to test presence of starch in green plants. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about remaining topics. Thank you.